Hello everyone, in this video I solved this math Olympiad question. This question is 2 to the power 20 minus 16. I solved this question without calculator. First of all, I can say here is 2 to the power 20. I can say easily 2 to the power 10 power 2 minus 4 power 2. According to exponential rules, we know that a to the power n power m equal to a to the power nm. I follow this formula in this line. Now I can say, if you think it is a, it is b. This time you can say a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here is 2 to the power 10 plus 4 to the power 10 minus 4. Now here is 2 to the power 10. So 2 to the power 10 equal to 2 to the power 5 times 2 to the power 5. We know that 2 to the power 5 equal to 32 times 32 equal to 1024. Now I can say here is 1024 plus 4 times 1024 minus 4. Now 1028 times 1020. Now I can say here is 1028. So 1000 plus 28 times 1000 plus 20. Now if I multiply, this time I can say easily here is 1000 times 1000 equal to 1000 30. Here is 30 plus 1000 times 28 plus 20, and 28 times 20 equal to 560. Now here is 1000 plus here is 28. 48 times 1000 equal to 48000 plus 560. Now I can say here is 0 0 0. So this is 0. 6006. This is 5005. This is 8. This is 0. And this is 4. This is 0. So 4. And here is 10. This is the answer. Thank you all.